here it is Patreon time, or you catch us up on a delay over on youtube.com/@awesomecast. And we got with us here, Katie's on the couch.
Still
oh no,
here.
wait, there you're black. There
Yeah.
you go.
I love the fact that you haven't even noticed the fact that I've been leaning on an iguana this
I've
whole
been worried.
show.
I almost called it out because I'm like, why is he hiding on the
'Cause,
iguana?
like it's just behind.
we just noticed, it's gonna be like off. I'm hoping it doesn't get cropped off on the clips of the show too, so that people will be like, what's with the iguana there? What's going on there?
Just leaning on my
He was
friend.
on Marco's shoulder for all of Wrestling Mayhem show last week. So, and then we also have with us a time machined Dave Podnar.
Whoa, what just happened?
From the 70s. If you didn't listen to the Oscarcast 770, there's an explanation. Yeah, well, yeah, just that mustache.
Brother, the mustache.
We had a fake mustache.
Brother.
We had a fake mustache for a guy that was supposed to. He was in the show earlier, and then he snuck in as a cameraman to the cage match for a spot, and and it was like just as wild a mustache as you have there. And he's just like, I don't think this is gonna work. This is gonna stay on. Like he figures out like 5 minutes before the match. I'm like, just keep your hat down, man. Just nobody's gonna notice you. They're looking at the giant people in the ring. They're throwing stuff at each other, right? So I think you're gonna be okay, right? So there you go. Oh, he's got the full complement up now.
There we go. Got to have the full gear on.
All right, Podnar. All right, cool, Podnar. Oh, you should have done this for the main show the whole way. Jeez, that's gonna be the thumbnail right there. You sent me a video that's on the TikTok. So do we need to set this up for you?
Yes,
or do you want audio?
Well, yeah, you will need audio, but let me set it up a little bit.
All right, we're going to have to do it the old school way because I didn't set up the audio on this.
Sorry about that. So McDonald's has a new burger called the Arch.
The Big Arch?
But the Big Arch, yeah. Mm-hmm. The Big Arch. So to promote the Big Arch, they decided to have their new CEO, who was just recently brought on, I think, to taste test it on a TikTok. Now,
what could go wrong?
Oh,
what could go wrong?
Yeah, like I said, I understand. A CEO, first of all, should be able to be decent in front of the camera because
oh no.
You're the CEO. They're the ones who are talking to the investors and everyone else.
I would hope so. Yeah.
And to be, I'll just say you can tell real enthusiasm for fake enthusiasm.
Okay.
And if you watch the clip, and including the actual taste he has of the burger, it's what not to do.
All right, let's set this up here. Are you ready for this?
Okay.
All right.
Yep.
Here we go. Hold on, I'm refreshing it. I have to turn the audio.
Here it is, the Big Arch. This is something that we have tested already in Portugal, Germany, Canada. I love this product. It is so good. I'm going to do a tasting right now, but I'm going to eat this for my lunch, just so you know. So Here we go. First, holy cow. God, that is a big burger. We've got a very unique kind of sesame poppy sort of bun on it.
Nope.
We've got 2 quarter-pound patties, a delicious Big Arch sauce, and of course some lettuce. So, there's so much going on.
And lettuce.
First of all, let's try to get this thing. I don't even know how to attack it. Got so much to it. Ooh, there's also some crispy onions on here as well. I see those kind of coming out. All right.
It does have a half a pound of meat, but here we go. Oh my!
So good. That's a big bite.
Look at that giant bite he took.
Distinctively McDonald's. Only McDonald's could do this type of burger, but it also is unlike anything else on our menu. It's a delicious product. You've got sort of the cheeses and the gooiness, but those crispy onions as well gives a nice texture. And of course, we've got the pickles. So I'm going to enjoy the rest of my lunch. But Big Arch, try it when you can get it.
Okay. That was something. Katie, as the social media marketer here, what do you think of that one?
Oh, he loved it. He's like texture. No one says texture.
Texture.
No one like. If you are saying things like texture, you do not like what you are eating. Like especially food. The texture is just.
Oh, just like when I talk about like things with coconut in it. There's a texture.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Let me take this giant bite. How am I going to attack this burger? Oh
Maybe,
my!
you know, that's a perspective thing. You know, maybe he just I can't think that this guy eats a lot of this kind of stuff. You know?
No, I mean, it's literally, and I don't think this guy was brought up in the McDonald's system. They brought him in from the outside.
Okay.
And you gotta like the product that you're the head of.
Yeah. Well, here's the thing: like, they're selling garbage, and they know they're selling garbage, and their job is to tell you it's not garbage, so you'll buy the cheap garbage, so they can make money at scale. So, it's a hard sell. That's a very hard sell. What was it? Wow. Well, I thought it was going to be worse, honestly.
Yeah.
But, you know.
I would say this. Just remember, this was they probably got him to do multiple takes.
Did they?
And
you think they did? Did they?
Well, or this is not like someone in their kitchen doing a taste test.
Mm-hmm.
You know, this is we bringing in the big money. We're bringing in the marketing firm that we're paying tens of millions of dollars for just to make us look good. And
all right, let me put it this way. Okay, Katie, you're in charge of this campaign, and this idea has come up. With that take, do you still put it online to represent the CEO of your company? No.
Try again.
This kind of goes back to, like I always say this around wrestling. It doesn't matter what level you're at. We're all dealing with the same shit. Somebody at McDonald's is dealing with the same shit we are. They're our clientele, right? Like on that high of a scale.
Yep.
Like they're still are you sure you want to do this? You think he insisted on putting it out?
This is great. I'm sure it looks good.
You think it's his idea? All right, it's good enough. Let's go. It's like, okay, boss.
Yeah, boss.
Okay, boss. Sure.
Great, boss.
Yep. Okay.
Boss, wonderful. It's amazing, boss.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
People
sir.
love it. No, it won't go viral for the wrong reason, boss.
Absolutely not. So it's gone viral for the wrong reason, I presume.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Fox News.
Oh no. What did they do?
McDonald's CEO roasted after tiny first bite. Huffington Post, Business Insider, People.com, Adweek. All today had articles about how bad this was.
Oh no.
And apparently, Burger King did a video skewering this taste test already on social media.
Oh my God. Where's Wendy's at? Where's Wendy's at on this?
Oh, yeah.
Like, where's the Wendy's jab? Because they're usually really good at that. So, I don't know. Maybe they're all looking at Wendy's because both Wendy's and Burger King are like all like closing stores now. So, I don't think anybody's doing good right now, actually. So,
no.
Not in this economy. That's okay. We need more good ideas like the Virtual Boy. I found the other angle of this is again Kitty for scale.
It's me.
It's just like 1995, right?
All over again.
All over again. Holy crap. Okay, what else is going on here? That was on the Patreon side of things. I don't have anything else but that.
I'm researching.
You're researching?
Well, the only thing that kind of caught my eye technology-wise, I don't know if you want to bring it up on even Patreon or not.
Oh
no!
It's about what happened in the Middle East over the weekend.
Nope, we're not touching any of
okay.
that. Nope. No.
Okay, just making sure.
No, we're not going to get into that kind of stuff. That is not for this show. But even if it is a tech angle at this point, so because I'm honestly still processing that internally. So internally and sometimes externally. No, that's good. So we did learn, take care of your CEOs. Don't let them do that to themselves.
I'm researching. I have something fun.
Okay.
For our trip.
Oh.
So I was looking on the internet,
Mhm.
and you can get combo passes for the New Horizons Aquarium tour at Orlando, which is at the aquarium, and Legoland.
Oh,
There's combo passes.
okay.
So, and they're only an hour apart.
Okay.
Oh, and yes. Ugh.
I don't know anything about Legoland down
Me
there.
neither. Okay, so it's made for folks who have kids 12 and under, but you don't have to have kids.
Okay.
Like, because I absolutely Googled that, and I was like, oh, I don't want to be the weird creepers.
It's
Can
like,
adults visit Legoland Florida without children? There's a whole section on their website.
oh,
for
good.
It.
Is it creepy if I do this?
If
Oh,
I
that's
show
like
up-
the first thing on here when I Bing it is because it's my default.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is a different article. This is Travel Pander.
Yes. So guests of all ages can enjoy the creativity, fun, and imagination. Thrilling rides, interactive attractions, stunning Lego models, themed lands.
How thrilling does that get?
There you just open a new roller coaster.
Ooh, okay.
Mm.
That sounds fun.
See, look, there's stuff and things. But yeah, that's what I was looking at. I want to
Excellent.
know.
So, and
more.
that's what the aquarium that has the Animal Crossing.
Yeah, it's a combo. They offer a combo pass because apparently they
Ooh.
work well together or whatever.
Fantastic. I like that. I like that.
That is all. That was more fun than. I mean, it was something
No, that's good.
awesome. Something
Yeah.
awesome to
Something
shift.
awesome that we may be
Mhm.
talking about next week or so.
Yay.
So, excellent. Okay, awesome. Well, let's get packed up here because we got a referee coming in here in a moment, and I might need to brew more coffee. So, guys, thank you so much. Thank you, 70s Dave.
Yo.
I'm just glad we got that in. All right, hit us with some jive chalk from the 70s to send us out.
Yo, you got it on the awesome cast just being awesome.
Katie, would you like to add to that?
Nope, I got an iguana behind me.
Yeah.
I have nothing to add to anything.
The unspoken iguana hiding the entire show. Jeez. Guys, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you, Patreon, for joining us. Thank you for catching us later on YouTube. We'll see you guys next time.